Hi, my name is Andre van Beek. I live in South Africa, Northwest province, near Vryburg, and in a small town called Stella. I've worked for quite a few years on different types of from farms that cultivate, plant, plow, uh, harvest, to farms that work with cattle, um, goat, sheep, pigs, and on those farms I did mostly of everything and anything, from working on tractors to working with infrastructures, and um, from infrastructures off to working with the livestock. I'm currently looking for work in North America. um, so thank you.